You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation, the name of this musical artist, and it is also a Japanese name. If you want to learn more names from Japanese and more names from music celebrities, make sure to stay tuned. Japanese pronunciation, Kiyo. Kiyo. The English pronunciation is similar as Kiyo. Kiyo, not Kayo. Kiyo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.